guys. Try this again. Hey, you guys. Welcome back. Off to another adventure out at the hut. So, we are just about there. It's not going to be a super long adventure today, but I think we're going to be able to get the door done. So, we'll see what we can do. Door's still standing, so that's a good sign. Everything's nice and dry, so we're not going to worry about starting a fire yet, just because I don't really have anything to cook. I'm going to make a coffee, but I don't need a huge fire for that. So, here we are. Door's still up. I'd like to start at that window today if I can, but the door's going to take a while to fill, so best get started. So I'm going to get my stuff thrown down and yeah, we'll go from there. So, firstly what I'm going to do is I'm going to gather some pieces that I can use to kind of stack up. So they need to be slightly bendy and pretty clean. So we'll see what I can gather from this Widowmaker that I took down. Alrighty, you guys. So what I've done is obviously I tied up the corners. I'm not too worried about these sides. I'm actually pretty proud of my joinery. I think it's going to hold. So next up, now that I've got this centerpiece in, is to thread in all those pieces that I gathered before, and yeah, start filling it up. Okay, you guys, so change plans. I decided that since I'm lazy, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all the scraps from the door that we've had so far and we're gonna light them up. Everything's really dry, even these needles. They're just about falling off because it was all off wood that had fallen down already. So I picked up some birch bark off the ground and we're gonna light it up and see how it burns. Okay, you guys. So, since I'm only out here for a quick trip, I want to throw the door up since I've actually got the frame done and it's starting to look like a door. But before I do that, I want to sweep up, so I figured I'd show you guys how it's done here at the hut. Feed those to the fire. And yeah, show you guys how it looks. It's a pretty spiffy place once you get it all straightened up. Yeah. Alrighty, you guys. So, next up is to get our door back on. So, what I think I'm going to do to save myself a little bit of lifting is just shove in our hinge piece while the door's down here on the ground, and we'll lift it all up as one unit. Alright, you guys. So now that I got the door thrown up, I think what I'm going to do is brew up a coffee. I think it's about that time. Alrighty, you guys. So, made it back out. had a good little trip. I'd say it was pretty successful. I'm really glad to have a door back on the hut. It does need some work, but I'd say we got a good start done on it. It was nice to get out here and have a fire and just kind of relax. We'll be back out next week, see what else we can get done. Now that we got a door, I'd like to start some of these interior projects, but we'll see what we have time for. Until next week, please check out my other videos if you guys haven't already. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you'd like to. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye guys.